Music song large, no sound first think. Hit to work late. Books for the kids was just thinking about how wonderful you are. I thought you should now spending time with you is the highlight of my day. I love you deeply. You make me feel weak in the darkness when you touch me. I love you. A glance at your glowing smile brings in me an astonishing joy on my worst days. My days ain't best when I see you smile. Stay safe tonight and always. I love you so much I cannot explain it even if I tried. Just know you are loved. I want to kiss every inch of you. I adore you. You are my everything. You make me feel an excited child at theme park when I am with you. I could stare at you forever and still feel like I haven't had convincing you are the one for me. Sometimes I finish this about being coffee. Why you ask? I envying the coffee cup that kiss your lips every morning. I love you deeply. I dreams of what were you and I would live for a million years loving each other. I know I will never got tired of loving you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. No mean people make me all soft and mish when talking to me. You do that. I believe you are the good gift for me. My girlfriend think I am crazy about you. The funny things is that is true. You are beauty drove my notes ever since I say you rose and shine my darling. Open your arms. Suggestion that the day filled with you know adventures and memories and dreamers. I love you. Rose and shines, my darling. Open your arms, says the day filled with new adventure and memories. And remember, I love you. There are no words to describe how I feel about you. It would be like trying to explaining the shape of the Venet. That is man got to do be with you. Amuse everyone with you, Crester, not forgetting your sense of and beauty. I see a potential future with you are a rearing. I hope know how much you mean to me. You are such an important part of my life. In fact, you are the center of my life. Everything I do is for us, and I hope you know that I am always trying to do the right thing that will make you our relationship a strong one. You have inspiring me to be the best versions of myself that can possible, and I hope that I can somehow repay you are for everything that you have done for me. Without you, I would be complete difference. Friends, you have taught me so much about life, and because of you, I told now that love is your message constantly send me heart into joyful, filtering it as if a part of you always by my side through them whenever I witness your smile. My interviewing day and styling improves. You are remarkable talent for eliminating even the darkest days. Joel. Expectational, I find myself irresistible drawn into your eyes. Every time I gaze into them, they hold captivating vertical of beauty, intimating that I am eager to discover your abilities to transform your inner movement into extraordinary one is something I deeply treasure. I value every moment spent with you. You are sense of complete man perfectly, and your abilities to make you me laugh is unreliability. I want to know that now that there is no one who can replace you the way you look, the way you always. Now that I am thinking about the way you give me a hug when I need it the most, the way you listen to me It all priceless. You have touched me more and than I thought you did our health in the love. With you are my everything. I cannot imagine a day without you are hugs and kisses and I feel so safe when I am with you. I love you to the moon and back. Bibi, I will be love you forever no matter that happens. I will choices you every single day and I will be never stop doing that. You are my everything and I am so thankful for to have you in my life.